Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Scalpex expert advisor for MetaTrader 5, and this is a filtered M15 scalper for EURUSD and other assets. Sellers show impressive win rates and steady growth, but I ran a full back test, so let's see if the heavy filters make it reliable or just keep it sidelined most of the time. But before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. It's free, so you can get it for free by using the link in the description below. Ensure you check it out, it's totally worth it. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into it. We're talking about the Scalpex expert advisor, and according to the MQ5 page, Scalpex EA is an advanced scalping robot that detects recent highs and lows, and it applies RSI extreme filters, moving average deviation checks, and a smart news filter to avoid high impact events. It supports Forex, crypto, gold, and indices. Also, it uses dynamic lot sizing based on account risk. The strategy focuses on selective entries with trailing stops and protective rules. Backtests they show look strong, where this is their live account, and all of these are their live accounts, but this is also their inputs, and this is their backtest curve from 2010 to 2024, which is about 14 years of data. And this is a backtest result showing us 93% win rate, a profit factor of 3.38, and very low drawdown near 2.4%, and solid consistent growth over hundreds of trades. It positions this expert advisor as a versatile, smart filtered scalper suitable for proper counts thanks to its multi-layer confirmation and news protection. The features and settings that they market include the number of bars for high and low detection, and they claim no martingale, no greed, and no hidden risk multipliers, and this is true. And also they have risk percentage sizing, RSI upper and lower levels. We have the MA extreme filter. We have news keyword avoidance with stop trading windows. We also have take profit and stop loss levels. All of these can be edited. These are the core features of this expert advisor. And there is a trailing stop activation and max loss protection. These give you control over signal quality. You also have the risk per trade and market exposure. The developer highlights the combination of technical filters and news safety as key for consistent 15-minute time frame scalping. This is a scalper. Remember, the Scalpex expert advisor, and it goes for just $170. It was last updated on the 2nd of July 2025, which is almost a year ago. Has no reviews and just 3 comments from the developer himself talking about joining the channel, and he also dropped an image here showing some claims of profits. But this basically is the overview from the developer. He also recommends using ECN brokers, and the recommended pairs are EURUSD, GBP/USD, and XAU/USD, and it's compatible with 4 and 5 digit brokers if you want. But I had the opportunity to run my backtest on this expert advisor. My backtest was on EURUSD on the 15-minute time frame, and it was from June 2025 to June 2026 on every tick based on real ticks, zero latency, ideal execution, and it showed a net loss of $166. Profit factor was a poor 0.09 with only 27 trades total and a win rate of just 11%. very poor, very poor. And this is the equity curve, just a straight a slow dive to the downside. The equity curve slowly bled lower most of the year with a couple minor recoveries. Max drawdown of around 1.8% compared to those seller backtests with 93% win rates and tiny drawdowns. This recent period was tough, and inputs, I used the default settings for this, but the major inputs that matter are the 2% risks and the 100 bar high and lows. All of this were what I set based on the defaults. And we have the RSI 80-20 filter. We also have the MA 3% deviation, and we also have the news filter. There's the take profit levels, which is 300, and the stop loss of 250. You can edit this to your preferences if you want. And we also have the trailing. We also have trailing, really limited the trades and hot results here. Yeah, the trailing feature. But honestly, the thing is, too many filters can protect you from bad trades but also kill profitability in practice. Yeah, this means it stays safe during news but gets chopped up and stays flat in normal ranging conditions on EURUSD. There is no martingale or grid, and that is a plus, but the low activity and poor win rate are the real story, and those are not impressive at all. My verdict for this expert advisor is that it's a heavily filtered M15 scalper that might work in strong trending markets with good optimization but struggles in typical conditions. Profits and drawdowns can differ depending on market conditions and position size, which is the lot or risk that the trader is using. Even in this backtest, you could use a different set file and get a different result, but based on the defaults from the developer, these are the results that we're seeing. So it's great for experienced prop traders who can tweak it extensively and accept very low trade frequency, but avoid it if you want consistent activity or reliable results. From the backtest, based on the default settings, we've seen all we've seen, and it's not really impressive. These are the settings that you can actually edit and configure. You can see it marked in blue, and these are the filters: RSI filter, the moving average filter. All of these can be edited, all of this can be changed to suit your trading style. And that is all for the Scalpex expert advisor. Like this video if these real tests help you out. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more honest expert advisor reviews like this one. Drop a comment below which expert advisor should I test next, and don't forget to grab that free Forex robot in the description below. Trade safe everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.